Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the issue not in a hypervisor partition. I'm getting this error when I try to install my Ubuntu OS in VirtualBox. The reason why we are getting this error is because we haven't enabled virtualization in our system. So to check that, just right click over here and go to Task Manager. Here go to Performance, and under CPU, as you can see here, virtualization has been disabled. So only after we go to the BIOS settings of our system and then enable this virtualization, we can make this work. So for this, just restart your system and you need to press any of these keys that I show you. In my case, I am using an ASUS motherboard, so I'll be pressing the key Del or F2. So just restart the system and keep on pressing this, go inside your BIOS. So I'll just restart my system now. So I'm just pressing the key F2 now. So I just press the F2 key while restarting my system, and this BIOS settings will vary person to person depending upon the model that you're using. So if you are using ASUS, just follow these steps. Go to advanced mode. The rightmost bottom you'll be having this. Select it and we'll be having the CPU configuration. Select that. And here, if you just scroll down, as you can see, I'm having this Intel virtualization technology. This is disabled at the moment. Click this and enable it. So in your cases, it may be some direct virtualization or something. So wherever you see that virtualization option, just enable it, okay? And once you're done changing, just save and exit. So I'm going to press F10. So it's going to ask me save changes and reset. Yeah, I'll just click on OK. So I have just restarted after changing the virtualization to enable. Now again, let's go to the Task Manager and Performance. And this time, if I go to CPU, as you can see, virtualization has been enabled. Now I'll just go to my Ubuntu OS, select it and click on Start. This time, as you can see here, I'm not getting any errors and it's prompting me to install Ubuntu. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.